Product alert. Product alert. Oxidean Marine has a new product alert. What we've got here is our rudder and strut standoff brackets, all integrated in one. It's the same system that comes stock on our riggers. What's cool is this system can be used on riggers, sport hydros, and V-bottom boats. Inside the kit, you get your strut, your standoff bracket, your rudder with its angled standoff bracket. What's cool is you get this awesome CNC aluminum pivot, and the antenna mount is integrated in it. The antenna mounts over the standoff like this, and the hole threads through this hole, goes through there, so it's all integral. Here's all your mounting hardware too. Your rudder mounts here and can slide on this bracket, so you can control the offset of how close the rudder is to the prop. Now may I capture your imagination for a moment? Look how wonderful this would go on a V. This hull is a bit small in the transom, but you can see where I'm going with this. This system will work for V hull as well as a single cat. Fully adjustable, very sturdy, really awesome. This would actually be an excellent race setup for a V. Excellent. You've got your up and down movement for your strut. You've got your in and out movement for your rudder, offset. You're all set. They're available on our website right now. There's a link in the description. Turn your boat into something very awesome. With this setup on a V, for the rear hardware, all you need is trim tabs and turn fins. This is rudder and strut and offset all in one. All your bracketry all in one. Remember to subscribe to our channel. Remember, the link to this product is in our description.